grooves don't have to be fast to be complicated and interesting. Here is a fantastic example of that. Is that not groovy as hell? So, the basis of this entire groove is left-hand led inverted doubles. I love them, they're great for grooves, they're very tasty, but it's quite difficult to get them very technically clean. A 3, a 4, and we're going to put an accent on the 2, which will fall in the left after another left, so that's in and of itself pretty tricky. That little left-hand whip is very difficult to get, so take your time with it, get a metronome on, and just sit and groove with it for a while, with little undercurrents of rage underneath. And you're also going to want to try and accent the offbeat in the right hand, 1 E. Now, the fun part, adding in those bass drums. Go on the 1, on the of 1, and the and of 2. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. What you may also notice is a bass drum here on the E of 3. This is where it changes up a little bit. You're going to take out the right hand that falls with the bass drum. I personally find that it just makes it flow and sound a lot nicer and a lot cleaner. Thus, that's why I took it out. And this is where having that accent on the offbeat really helps, because it gives you something to kind of anchor onto when you're playing the beat. Get the basic mechanics of it down and then really bring the tempo back down again and take it with a metronome, because you're going to find so many little things that you can tweak in your timing and correct lots of little different bits and bobs that will make this groove sound a lot nicer and a lot cleaner. So try it out and let me know what you think in the comments. Much love, have a great day.